Hi, I'm Omer and today we will be reviewing this 1979 model Mazda 323. So let's start. Mazda introduced 323 in early 60s and it stayed in production till 2003, after which they converted the whole model lineup to Mazda 3, Mazda 6 and so on. So 323 was renamed as Mazda 3 in 2003. This particular car is a 1979 model. This is also known as Mazda Familia. In America it is GLC, the great little car. This car is totally custom built. Like, it initially came as 1.3 liter car and right now it has a 2000cc engine with 6-speed manual transmission running in it. As usual, I'll show you all the interesting features today. For all of those people who ask me to tell them about 0 to 100 on a car, this is the kind of car we will be checking that on. The reason of doing this review is that there are a lot of people who want to have fancy cars but they have certain limitations on budget. So I would like to show you what kind of cars are possible in a set limited budget. So let's start with the features and then we will take it for a road drive and see how it drives. So in order to open the hood, there is no lever or latch that you use. This car has this hood pin. These are the pins that are used in a lot of hyper exotic cars. So you have these pins on both sides. You take it out like this and your hood is open. Now after you open the hood, you have this stick that comes out like this and you stick it like this. Now this engine is a Beams dual VVTi. It's a Toyota's 2000cc engine and that is what has been installed in this car aftermarket, a part of the build. Now this hood scoop that you see, this is also functional. It's not a fancy and just there for the show purpose. This is functional and this is there to accommodate the size of the engine and also to give it the additional air required. The front wheels are 205 55 16 and the rear wheels are 225 55 16. That's to give the added traction and control the car. Now the rear rims are 10-inch wide and the front rims are 9-inch wide. A part of the build is also on the body. As you can see, all these over fenders to accommodate these tires. This wasn't there by factory. This has been done locally afterwards. Now we cannot do a review of this kind of a car without taking a listen to how it sounds. So let's hear. The interior is more or less stock, except for the fact that the seats have been replaced with Recaro bucket seats and the speedometer that has been installed is Toyota Alteza's, and the information that you can see, this RPM meter on one side, speedometer in the center with all the temperature gauges, and then you have your fuel gauge and the digital cluster for your trip meters and all that. Now coming here, this is for your seat recline and adjustment like that, and if you want to go back, this is the button that you will press and this opens so you can easily climb at the back like this. Now sitting here, it's not really comfortable in terms of leg space, but as you can see, the head space is pretty decent. These were all the interesting features of this car. Now let's take the car for a road drive. Alright, so now we are driving this 323. I have with me Asad. have you done on this car? Why would you? How about you start telling us?
Well, in essence, it's just the shell of a Mazda. The engine, as I previously told you, it's running a Lexus RS 200 3 beams back up, along with a short shifter, 6-speed J160 manual gearbox. With that, we have 10-inch white rims at the back to curtail the happiness of this little monstrosity that we have under the hood. Other than that, the interior we're running in that is like a speedometer to go along with it, and a 3.7 ratio differential at the back.
So what is the kind of power that this engine is generating right now?
Brutish, extremely brutish.
Do you have any idea about the horsepowers?
I haven't yet gone to the dyno yet.
Okay.
But the engine gear puts out 210 on paper.
210 is the engine's output on paper.
On paper, yes. So I'm estimating if you take into account power to weight ratios, I'm hoping that it should be a bit more than that, or perhaps equal to what it is.
Okay. Cool. And what about 0 to 100? Have you done the calculation on that?
I am estimating roughly around about, say, anything under 8 seconds.
8 seconds.
7 to 8 seconds.
Okay. Interesting. The suspension is extremely stiff. That's how you want on cars of this sort.
Definitely.
And it's bumpy, as you can see.
But it had to be that way.
But
ensures safety
But the
considering.
sweetness is that the moment you press the accelerator, the car just goes.
Oh, indeed.
And the sound, that is such a sweet music sound. That was all about our review for this Mazda 323. To subscribe to the channel, you can click here. If you'd like to watch more videos, you can click here and over here. Please let us know in the comment section what you think about this review. Till next time, bye.